Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to review this Bobbi Boss Glueless wig just in time for Valentine's Day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more wig reviews and tips. Let's get into Who's That Girl. You can watch me put this one all the way together. And yeah, I'll go about giving you all sneaky deaky details. Alright folks, let's go. Okay guys, so like I said before, this is a Bobbi Boss wig that I purchased off of wigtypes.com. She was literally under $40. She's a very affordable glueless lace wig. She comes with the 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and an adjustable elastic band, and she has that breathable mesh cap. This is what she's looking like straight out the box, but I wanted to do something different. Actually, 2 things different. I wanted to do a widow's peak, and I also wanted to add some more hair because I wanted her to be big and voluminous and just like all over the place. So the initial plan was to glue the tracks into this wig, but I had needle and thread and I did that instead. And honestly, I probably should have just did the glue. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the rest of this video. So what I'm trying to do with this Bobbi Boss this wig, I want to try to do a widow's peak. Now, you know, the new trend is widow's peak. Well, it's not even a new trend. People have been doing it. I've never done it because, again, my forehead goes straight across, so it doesn't really matter to me. But I want to try something new. So I already got it in this M shape, which I feel like this one's a little bit bigger than that one. So I'm going to take some of this off. And I'm going to go about ripping this off piece by piece and then cutting the lace. I've never done this before, so wish me some luck. Let me push this hair back so we can go ahead and start doing that. I'm going to use my Isha spray, and I'm just going to go around the whole perimeter because I'm trying to just tack it down just a tad bit and then use that bow hole to like lay it completely down. That's the plan. So while I'm waiting for this to melt, let's go ahead and get into Who's That Girl. Now, this is Bobbi Boss Glueless Lace Wig Latoria. I got her in the color T1B D Burgundy because it's Valentine's Day and yeah, I want it to be a little spicy red over here. You feel me? Let's get into the stock card reading. She is a glueless wig. She has free parting space because she's a 13x4. So left side, right side, middle part, do you honey, whatever. She is hand tied with deep lace. She has a secure elastic band. She definitely comes in an array of colors, starting with the 1-1Bs to the 2s and the 4s. You got your reds, you got some of the blondes, and then the caramels in between. So she's very versatile and very colorful. So you get to pick. Alright, so let me go ahead and finish putting this Bobbi Boss wig together and then come back with my thoughts and opinions on her. me go ahead and tell you what I love about this wig. First of all, I added more tracks because I wanted it to look more fuller. Problem is I should have bought glue instead of trying to sew it together. I don't know what was I thinking, but yeah, there's that. Because I wanted to add more tracks in this area here so it can come out more voluminous. I wanted big hair. I wanted hair. And on top of that, the hair that I got was only about 12 inches and this one is long. So you might see highlights of her in here, but you don't even really see her. But anyway, without that, what I love about this hair is the color. I love the style of her, the way she's cut is amazing. I can go about cutting her some more, but this red is giving for Valentine's Day. You understand? Like giving. I like the natural black root first and then going into the red. Chef's kiss. What I don't like about this wig, first of all, of course, with long synthetic wigs, she's a shedder as well as she tangles. And she tangles a lot. Like a lot. I think Bobbi Boss needs to go back in the factory with this one. But you would definitely have to keep a brush on you at all times just to get her to look right. This is what the back looks like. She's very long and she comes right to the top of my bow tie. I also like the way she melted. At first I was a little bit worried because the lace was a little bit on the ashy side. It was blonde. It was like a little bit on the white side. But I decided to switch up my technique and melt first. Melt my wig without having a bunch of makeup on and stuff. I try to tint the lace more after I melt her than before. And I feel like it's working. Also, this widow peak is making it look a little bit more realistic. Y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all think so. Yes or no, no, or yes. Could I have done a better job? Probably. But this is what I got. I feel like I need to cut a little bit more of that lace right here to make it look a little bit more realistic. But from back here, don't get too close. You can't really tell, can you? No, you can't. Okay. But I like the fact that this lace actually melted. And you could probably really wear her glueless for real. Yeah, I definitely did pluck her. And she's giving more of a realistic vibe. I mean, y'all know how I feel about my synthetic wigs and going over and beyond. You can if you want to. And then you don't have to if you don't want to. That's the good thing about synthetic wigs. And that's why I love my synthetic wigs. It's really up to you. I'm at that age where I'm split in the middle. Hey, make your two toes jiggle. I'm split in the middle. Alright, so that is my thoughts and opinion on Miss Latoria from Bobbi Boss. If you happen to like what you see in this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one. And baby, she bad. Oh no, she bad. You will go ahead and get notified. Alright folks, see you in my next video. Bye.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.